if you find difficult to meditate. So, this video is for you. Watch till the end. First, what is meditation? Meditation is the act of remaining in a silent and calm state for a period of time. It makes you more able to deal with the problems of daily life. Nowadays is this popular among peoples to practice yoga and meditation. So, before starting, let's play 5 seconds mind opener. I will count 1 to 5. You have to say yes for 1, 3 and 5. And say no for 2 and 4. Let's start. 1, 3, 4, 5, 2. Again, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5. Be honest to share the result of this game in comment section and hit like if you have 1 to 5 seconds mind opener game. Now, let's see how to do meditation. Oops, we haven't made a video on what to do when you fall from the sky. Hit like to save me. Now, first relax your body. Step 2. Sit comfortable. In meditation, you are going to observe your body, so it is important to sit comfortable. Step 3. Close your eyes. Now, start breathing naturally. Don't try to make any effort in breathing, keep it natural. Relax. In meditation, we observe our body. So keep observing your breathing habits. Don't try to make any effort from your side to minimize your thoughts. Let it be, you have to do only observation, keep observing your breathing and your surrounding. Focus your attention on the breath, and on how the body moves with each inhale and exhale. Notice the movement of your body as you breathe. Observe your chest, shoulders, rib cage, and belly. Simply try to focus your attention on your breath without controlling its speed or intensity. Do this daily, as minimum you can, and as maximum you want. Now, open your eyes slowly. And get up. Now, why we have to do meditation? Means, what are the benefits of doing meditation? Number 1, deep relaxation. Yes, meditating daily can help us to relax.
Number 2, reduce stress. Meditation can effectively reduce stress up to 80% and keep us calm every day.
Number 3, meditation can help our body function to do well, like lower blood pressure, improved blood circulation, lower heart rate, slower respiratory rate, and less anxiety.
Number 4, meditation can help us to bounce back from depression state. Depression can be overcome by doing meditation.
And the last one, meditation improves our concentration. It helps to enhance the concentration power. The goal of doing meditation is to go beyond the mind and experience our essential nature, which is described as peace, happiness, and bliss. But as anyone who has tried to meditate knows, the mind itself is the biggest obstacle standing between ourselves and this awareness. So, take out 5 minutes from your busy daily life, and meditate regularly. You will see the change in 10 days. A change in your anger management, a change in your thinking. If you worry too much about anything, it helps to make you calm and you feel happy and cheerful every day. It helps your understanding ability, which gives you happy relationship skills. Hit subscribe button if you are new to Thinking How. And don't forget to like and do share your views on comment section. Thinking healthy, thinking positive, thinking how.